you see like a flicker to chat or an image. I
Mm.
was looking into that. I still wasn't really. I'm not quite there, but I took a pause on it to fix the other issues, like the small issues that we have on the side. The first one was the. Let me show the screen. So the issue that I fixed is this like that was related to pagination in the compose screen. If I do a search here and paginate, now it should be working fine. Just if you remember yesterday, it was like a
Oh yeah, that's not Flickr.
white
That's the same
flicker
Flickr you're
that
trying to deal with.
yeah, but it's fixed now.
Mhm. Okay, cool.
Yeah, now the paginate. Well, bottom line, like yesterday, pagination here was not working, but now you can just paginate fine if you search for chat. So I fixed that.
Mhm.
Yeah. Also, the other fix that I did is there was a little jump if you switch between a topic and a chat like that, you will see a jump,
Mm.
and it was mainly because of this
Mm.
view for production. So I fixed that too.
Okay.
Yeah,
It,
and
as a
also,
as a nice to have, just maybe when you get some time, could you make that little thing you're pointing to a little more of an animated, like instead of it just like flashing on and off, like maybe it slides down, slides up?
oh yeah, this one, yeah, we can animate it in and out. Yeah, sure.
That'd be great. Okay, cool.
Yeah, I can do
Nice.
that. Yeah, there was this issue that I fixed. Then reviewed this mail's PR. He did some fixes on his and well, like one is just like it's like the images,
Mhm.
the dynamic chat, the dynamic sizing that was there before. It was like causing some small jumps, but now we rely on the backend to fix it. And so I reviewed his PR. I have some comments on his PR where I want to go like bold. Um, like yeah, I'm not sure if he's in here, but like I sent him a message yesterday or something like that. So we can
Yeah,
go.
he's here.
Okay, so yeah, maybe after some that we can go on a call to go through some comments that I have on his PR related to dynamic size of the images.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
If you're in the new architecture, shouldn't that video be playing automatic, or are you
I
not?
don't have his changes. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Regarding flickering, so yeah, the flickering, it's related to like the whole thing. So sometimes like the chat loads, but like the topic is not coming in. It still needs more time. That's the tricky process. If you're using it, you should be having like bad internet connection to see it, I guess. So like for example, like if you have the list first, rendered and everything, then the topics still not there. And once they're there, they're gonna cause a trigger to the list. They're not related. They should not be doing this. I mean, they're related in a way, but not like to this point to close up trigger. Yeah, so I know what's the issue there. It just still doesn't find a good fix. I still don't find any good fix that would like really not have any crazy cons or sacrifices. Um, but yeah, I'll be I'm sure like by the end of the day, I was just focusing on the other side of the because like I found them small. I was like really get to them, so I can focus on this because I think it's the last thing that we need to work on regarding school drums. And also like I was in here on production, and um I didn't came across the issue that you told me. You'll be somewhere here, someone is typing, and when you see the message, it scrolls you. It didn't happen to me because like I'm just like like 20 minutes ago, there was some messages here in the topic
Hmm.
and coming in, and I was like here, and yeah, because I was seeing it, someone was typing here, and it didn't scroll me. So yeah, I still came across that
um,
issue,
okay,
but
maybe it's not
yeah,
same as, or maybe I was. doing a reaction or something. Maybe something was happening.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm suspecting too. Maybe there's another like conditions that it has to be fulfilled to use that
Mhm.
machine. So
Right.
yeah, this is just on to break it up. I'll look into that more too.
Okay.
Um, yeah, that's what it's up to my team.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. Then, yeah, I'll let you coordinate with Ismail later to go through those comments.
Mhm. Yeah.
Thank you for the update. Appreciate it. Thanks, Mimi. All right. Ismail, let's get your update, please.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, yesterday I had a very annoying bug. I guess a quick question. I mean, is notification working on your simulator? Like, do you get notifications?
No, I haven't get any notification. Yeah, I
Yeah,
don't remember, but I guess I don't. Maybe why you have to do a reset to the device. You have
I did. I
you
tried a
know,
whole new device.
you did.
Yeah,
Mm.
the reset tried a whole new device. It's still not working. I was going. Yeah, I spent a good amount of time trying to fix just getting the notifications to work on my simulator because that's what I need to basically debug the problem we were talking about yesterday, which is when you things go out of sync, and to do that, you need notifications on a local build, so I can do changes and see how those affect the behavior. I ended up after doing some trying literally 100 different things. One thing that kind of worked, so it worked on my physical device. It's still not on my simulator, but my physical device is running on a local build, so that was a win. Um, I added the like group.com.circles.circles.one signal to uh the Apple security application group. Um, that seemed to help. Um,
To receive notifications in the simulator.
yeah, so if you go to, I mean, I think that's what fixed it because that's the only change I made.
Mm-hmm.
So if you go to app.json and then under
Mm-hmm.
entitlements, there's something called
Mm-hmm.
com.apple.security.application.group. So under there,
Yeah.
I added this group.com.circles.circles.one signal to the list, to that array.
Well, that should be added automatically with the one signal part.
But maybe
I don't.
gets because I know it works in production builds, but maybe it gets added automatically when we do like a build, not when we're on our local.
Should be the same. Like what I would say is like run the app on your device instead of simulator before doing this change. Okay. Because I would not like change that just to get to notification of simulator. It might break the production. It might.
Yeah, I mean, it's one of those things where I'm just gonna like use it to
Mm-hmm.
make the
To
changes
test
after
it.
that. I wasn't gonna keep it, but it still raises the question: why is notifications not working on simulators anymore?
Yeah.
Um,
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Just have that there for you to test. Maybe it's not added on local for some
yeah,
reason. But I remember I used to have notifications, and we didn't need
yeah,
to
I did too
listen
at
to
one
that.
point. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I know it was working. I know that for a fact. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, now it's not. No matter what I do. Um,
Mm.
so yeah, I guess we'll look more into that later. But yeah, for now, I have something to at least get the tasks I have on hand done. Also,
Are the
another
are the
weird thing
notifications
was, yeah.
are they still not working for you, or you did get them working?
Well, this again, this is just kind of like a way to get them to work temporarily, just on my local build.
Mhm.
This doesn't affect production build. It's just more for our local.
Okay, but you have a
And
workaround.
yeah, I wasn't getting notifications, so I couldn't do the work I was assigned to,
I see.
which is all around notifications.
Right. Okay, but you
Yeah,
can't now.
I can now. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Um,
What were you gonna say?
yeah, I was gonna say also. I know one thing I mean, in app check, I know you made some changes there to read the variables for. So if you go to app check, the ones for like, I don't know if this is related. Like maybe it's kind of similar idea where those debug tokens that you told me. It's like we have from expo config extra, and then you do like the iOS app check debug
Mm-hmm.
token
Mm-hmm.
for the provider. So I mean, obviously, I have to like add them manually now every time I want to onboard. And you're saying they should be loaded, but loaded from where exactly? Because I don't.
From an environments file. Like, do you have it?
What's the
I don't remember.
environments file called?
I don't remember if I sent it to you. It's called .env.local.
So we have. So it's not part of the GitHub. I have to add it
Yeah,
manually.
yeah, it's not. It's not part of the GitHub. It's being ignored.
Okay, and that file does it have anything to do with one signal or
No, just object Firebase,
just aspect
loading
Firebase stuff?
stuff like that.
Okay, I think you might have sent it to me a while ago, but I probably lost it.
Yeah,
I can find it again and
yeah.
I check because I remember it also wasn't working for me. So yeah. Anyways, I thought there might be some connections there, but I guess not. Uh,
Mhm.
Probably two separate things. Okay, don't worry about it right now. Then for that, yeah, I'll just find the file and look more into that. But okay, yeah. That being said, after I got the notifications to work, I got a little bit of work done. So one of the main problems we have, I don't know if you guys noticed this or not, but if you get a notification for a topic, you click on it the first time, it takes you to the topic. If you get the same notification for the same topic while you're in chat, click on it again. Theoretically, you're supposed to go to that topic or stay there if you're in that topic. It takes you to the home screen.
I have not noticed that.
Yeah. So if you get two
In the
topic
in like
notifications, it'll eventually start navigating you to the home screen. And
in the new architecture only,
and
or all?
both.
Really?
This is JavaScript logic. So I was looking at it, and the reason for that is we have a topic reference that we clear after the first node navigation to like whatever where it is the topic, and then after that it's going to be cleared. So if it's cleared, it's automatically going to take us to main.
Mhm.
And that was a problem I found right off the bat with
Huh.
the
Okay.
logic there. I'm still looking into more problems. But yeah, that was the main one I found. I'm currently doing some fixes. Just with these, it's tricky because I have to test like 20 different test cases with each change
Mm-hmm.
just to make sure it doesn't break anything else and so on.
Right. Okay. Well,
But
catch. That's weird. I've never noticed that. So
yeah, I mean, I guess the easiest way to test it is just have somebody send you two messages in the
yeah.
same chat and click on both notifications, and you'll see the first one will take you to the topic, second one will take you to the home
Right.
or to
Okay.
the main chat.
And you did already find the solution?
I think it's just like I said, I have to like with these, if you remember, like if you do one change, you can break something else, but fix something else. So you have to like do a
Yeah.
lot of testing. So I'm just in the testing phase right now.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's one problem. I don't know if there's any other ones. I don't know if this causes them to be out of sync. Maybe sometimes. Not sure. I don't think it should, even though it's a bug.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm still trying to see how I can get it out of sync. I still haven't done as much testing as I would like, just because, like I said, I spent so much time trying to get the notifications to work on my local environment.
Mm-hmm.
But now that I have, I'm going to be doing more test cases and trying to find more bugs in here.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's pretty much how I spent my day yesterday.
Okay. And you're going to continue on that same path for today.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I'm just gonna try to find more bugs. I'm gonna try everything I can think of. Try to see what bugs are, and then, yeah, as I mentioned, fixing these is it's kind of tricky. I just have to make
Mhm.
sure to do a lot of testing.
Okay. The two builds, Android, iOS, we released yesterday, seem to be working great. Those ones don't have the dynamic width and height sizing of media,
They
right?
do not know.
And you didn't want to do that till the new architecture, right?
Yeah, probably. Um, with the video, we can't even have the autoplay because we don't because we need the expo video, not the old one
Um,
we have, and that doesn't work with the new architecture.
okay, yeah. And then the sizing is part of that same branch.
It's part of the same branch, yeah.
Okay, okay, that's fine.
I
Um,
mean, technically, you can take the sizing if you really, really want the image resizing in there. Um,
mm, no, that's okay. We're
I
we're
can
making
like work on it. The
that's okay. What
yeah.
about did you ever look into link preview for our own links? Circles links?
So that would be basically backend, where if we send our own link, the backend would detect it's our own link, and then it would assign it an image and how like all the metadata. So right now, what happens is the front end just displays the metadata it gets. So
I
whatever
see.
you give it, it'll display it.
See. Okay. Jerry, I'd like to get images for our links. Like if I send an invite link from one chat to another chat to display the image, would you be able to deliver that?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Okay, great. That makes a big difference because I share those links a lot.
Yeah.
Um,
It isn't already. So.
oh, really? So this is like kind of easy, straightforward.
Yeah.
Oh, dang, I wish I asked sooner. Okay. Will you need any front end changes or just
No, should all be back in.
okay? Fantastic. All right. Yeah. Would you look into it? Let me know when you have it ready. I'd love to test it out. And
Yeah, I'll let you know when it's ready to look at.
cool. Cool. That'll be good. I think we'll get more clicks on them too because we're growing some other communities, building up some other group chats by sharing links among
Mhm.
the popular ones. Cool. All right. Then I guess that's a good spot. I'm gonna get Ian in here. Do you want to stay with us, Jerry? I'll get Ian, and we'll talk about some of that other stuff we were talking about, the streaming.
Yep.
Okay. Okay then. All right, guys. We're gonna leave you here. So have a good rest of the day. Let me know if you need anything. And great job so far. We're looking good, making good progress.
Good. Have a good day. Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Thanks all.